We'll guide you through how to screen record on a Mac. You can follow this with some MacBook or iMac, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So with this, you'll be able to go and capture what's happening on your Mac screen. Perhaps you do this for work, for a YouTube video, or for another reason. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this. And then you can go and have the video and you can go and edit it or do what you want to with it. So to go and get started, there's actually a built-in recorder we can go and use. So to go and get started with this, go to the top left and you can go and find the search function. It's the magnifying glass, go and click on it. And what you want to do is go and type in QuickTime. And it's going to be QuickTime Player. It should go and appear at the top. You can then go and press enter like so, and it will open up. Now you may think nothing goes and happens. And if you go and click on it, nothing may happen as well. Don't worry. What you want to do is go and click on it with two fingers or right click on it. And then you'll go and see some options here. What you need to do is go and find the option for screen recording. You've got movie, audio, and then use screen recording. That's what we want to do to go and capture our screen. Keep watching as we're going through some important settings. So now you're going to go and see these different options appear. So over to the left, this is for capturing part of your screen. To the right here is going to be screen recording. So what you can do here is you can go and first of all choose if you want to record your entire screen, a selected window, or a selected part. So what you can do is go and do your entire screen, obviously. A window could be like an app, like Chrome or Word, or you can actually just record a certain section of your screen. I like to do the entire thing. Then you can go and press options. So at the top, you can go and choose where it's saved to. So we'll just go and select desktop. Then we'll go and press options again. Then what you can do is you can go and choose a timer. I just like to go and get into it straight away. And then you can go and choose if you want to have the show floating thumbnail. I don't bother with the last selection either. For microphone, go and choose whether you want to go and capture your voice. You've got some different options here. I just use my MacBook microphone, or you can select none. But if you plug one in, you can go and select it from here. Then you can go and hover over capture format, and you can either do HDR or SDR. SDR is most compatible, so that's what I use. And then you can go and choose if you want to go and show mouse clicks, which I do. And then what you can do when you're ready is go and press record. So now you're going to be capturing your screen, and what you're going to do is going to be saved. When you're finished with your recording, what you need to do is go to the top and you'll go and see a little stop button in the bar just to the right of the notch, which you can then click on. And when you do that, it will then go and put it onto your desktop. So this is it here. Then what you can do is go and double click on it and it will open up. Of course, you can go and play it back. And what you can do is then you can go and have the file and you can go and share it or do what you want to with it. It's that simple. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more tech how-tos.